I don't know why I do that. Like, I don't know, I feel so jumpy. But anyways, hey guys, and welcome back. Wow, that motorcycle just decided to pass when I was, you know, very ready. Hey guys, welcome back to Madeline'S Avenue. If this is your first time, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. You clicked on this video for a reason, so you're here to stay basically. So yeah, today I have this look for you guys. Okay. Anyways, I used Huda Beauty and Fenty Beauty to come up with this look. Huda Beauty was for my eyes and Fenty Beauty obviously for my lips. Okay, anyways, if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay,
makes them shine, them all trying to steal my shine. Make I just live my life. 1, look at me to go. 2, no do me so low. 3, everybody dance and shy, yo. Everybody dance and shy, yo. Look at me, don't go. No do me so low. Everybody dance and shy, yo. Everybody dance and shy, yo. Baby, I don't want nobody. My girl, I wanna be your lover. We go there together. Girl, it's you forever. I no go rush, I go slow. Girl, I won't be your lover. We go there together. Girl, it's you forever. Frog no day jump for daytime, unless something they find in life. Don't go they find black sheep for night. Don't go they find bad thing for night. My brother, I pray for blessings on the road. I pray for jobs on the road. I pray for money on the road. I pray for the LOSA name to blow. I pray for blessings on the road. I pray for money on the road. I pray for jobs on the road. I pray for the LOSA name to blow. 1, look at me to go. 2, no do me so low. 3, everybody dance and shy, yo. Everybody dance and shy, yo. Look at me to go. No do me so low. Everybody dance and shy, yo. Everybody dance and shy, yo. Baby, I don't want nobody. My girl, I wanna be your lover. We go there together. Girl, it's you forever. I no go rush, I go slow. Girl, I won't be your lover. We go there together. Girl, it's you forever. Yeah, will make me sick at night. My flesh, they won't eat up nice. Just because I give some spice. They won't take me brain for a ride. No need to look them twice. Cannon lights makes them shine. Them all trying to steal my shine. Make I just live my life. Make I just live my life. Yeah. If those say not just me, nobody go hear my story. Boy. Get up.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for that good feeling? One time, I get down. One time, say what? Brand new LOSA.
That LOSA give
Fenty. It's all about the good love. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Omo to fresh, omo to good. Omo to fine, omo to right. Take me so far away from here. I know the lie, it's not a hypnotize. I wanna be a lover. Take you to places where people go like to go. Baby, don't bother. Just look at me and no LOSA is in control. The city's getting hotter. I know that I can make this work. I wanna be a lover. Just look at me and no LOSA is in control.
guys, I got like baking powder all over my top. Like, I don't even understand what the deal is. So clumsy.
Stop the groove and don't stop. One time, say.
Good loving, got me, she want me every time she callin'. Good loving, I got the loving, got the majesty, that she want it. Good loving, good loving, every she calling and good loving, good loving, good loving, good
So I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, but I had to fix my lashes off camera because I'm not like a pro yet. I feel like I did okay, but then I had this little mishap here, but we're still gonna go on.
Just want you to stay with me.
It's a worldwide. It's going down. All we got is last good. Let's go.
Good love, good love, good love, good loving, good love, good love, good love, good loving, good love, good love, good love, good loving, good love, good love, good love, good loving.
Don't stop the groove, but don't stop. 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 I say you want that good. I say you want that good. Let's go. Say stop the groove, but don't stop. Don't 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 stop the groove, but don't stop the groove, but don't stop the groove, but don't stop. Don't stop the groove, but don't stop. Don't stop the groove, but don't stop. Let's go. Say
Good loving, good loving.
yeah. LOSA. LOSA. Dog Bond, you're crazy for this one.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did watch it all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Like this video, comment what you think about this look, and also let me know which look is your favorite with the whole color series. We've been through January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Like, that's 7 months of like looks, so let me know which one is your favorite. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. My sister suggested that I start doing like actual makeup tutorials, so it's like it's going to be longer and more detailed. Let me know if you guys would want that. I don't think I've actually reached there yet, because she said like my makeup is starting to like come together nicely, better than how it used to before, which I can actually see. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think, and I do hope to see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.
Yeah.
Killer Tunes on the beat.
LOSA. Killer. Wagwan. Shama. Said I'm just here reminiscing, and I'm thinking up a line, and you're just there with the J and a cup of Hennessy. You can see me, I'm just wishing to become who I wanna be. This ain't a joke, yo.